Watch closely. The fire breathes life into this mini dagger as I harden the steel. Every spark, every strike, every moment in the flames is part of the story behind the blade. This is where raw steel begins its transformation into something powerful. Now comes one of the most important steps, cutting the fuller. This groove is not just a detail. It gives the blade balance, strength, and character. It's a process that takes patience, precision, and passion from start to finish. If you enjoy seeing how blades are truly made, the fire, the forging, and the craft, let me know. Leave a comment if you like this kind of video, and type yes if you want to see even more of the process in future clips.